In this video, you will learn how to fix Shopify 400 error, cookies too big. If you're encountering the Shopify 400 error, cookies too big, it means that the cookies stored in your browser on the Shopify server have become too large, leading to a failed request. Here are the simple steps to solve it. First, go to Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select the cookies and all other data and image and files, then click Clear Data. Check for third parties or scripts. Disable recently added apps. If you've recently installed any apps or installed any apps that you don't know, delete them. Or if you've added custom code, such as tracking or other integration, remove it, so then it can cause large cookies to be stored. Go to Apps in your Shopify admin, find the app you want to disable, click Delete or Install to remove the app from your Shopify store. Reduce the cart size and cookies stored in the app. Reducing cart data can ensure that your store doesn't allow customers to store exclusive items in their cart if they use certain cart features. Or app cookie management. Some apps might store too much information in cookies. Check with your app developer or look for app settings related to cookie management. Finally, if none of the above methods work, resolve the issue may be more complex and may be server-side on Shopify. Contact the Shopify support for assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.